Welcome back, smart buyers! Today, we're diving into the battle of the steam mops. On my left, we have the classic Bissell steam mop, and on my right, the deluxe Bissell PowerFresh steam mop. Let's see which mop reigns supreme. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The classic Bissell steam mop is priced at $92, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, noting that it performs well without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the PowerFresh Deluxe comes in at $102. While it's slightly more expensive, users feel that the extra features justify the price. If you're on a tight budget, the classic mop may be your best bet, but the PowerFresh offers added benefits for those willing to splurge. Now, let's get serious. Cleaning power. Both mops claim to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers of the classic steam mop praise its effectiveness, especially for cleaning grout, while the PowerFresh Deluxe is noted for its onboard spot boost brush, making it easier to tackle tough spots. Users have reported that both mops leave their floors spotless, but the PowerFresh Deluxe seems to excel in more demanding cleaning tasks, making it a favorite for those with pets. Let's talk steam settings. The classic mop has a SmartSet digital variable steam control, allowing users to adjust the steam level to their needs. Reviewers have found this feature convenient, especially for different floor types. Meanwhile, the PowerFresh Deluxe offers high and low steam settings, catering to various cleaning situations. Users love the flexibility, making these mops suitable for both light and heavy cleaning. Now let's get into the features. The classic mop includes odor-eliminating fragrance discs, which users rave about for leaving their homes smelling fresh. In contrast, the PowerFresh Deluxe provides a refreshing spring breeze scent, but lacks the fragrance discs. Reviewers appreciate the classic mop's ability to combine effective cleaning with pleasant aromas, while the PowerFresh is seen as a simpler option for those who prefer a no-fuss approach. Finally, let's talk usability. Both mops heat up in about 30 seconds, which is a huge plus for impatient cleaners. However, the PowerFresh has a 25-foot power cord, making it easier to maneuver in larger spaces. Reviewers have noted that the classic mop's cord length is less than ideal, but they still love its lightweight design. The PowerFresh is favored for those who want to clean without constantly unplugging and replugging. Overall, both the classic Bissell steam mop and the PowerFresh Deluxe have received positive feedback from users. The classic mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness, particularly for those with specific cleaning needs like grout. On the other hand, the PowerFresh Deluxe is favored for its additional features and cleaning power, making it a better choice for more demanding tasks. Users appreciate both mops, but their preferences often depend on budget and specific cleaning requirements. So, there you have it. The classic Bissell steam mop is your reliable cleaning companion that won't break the bank, while the PowerFresh Deluxe offers extra features for a slightly higher price. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're cleaning up after a wild party or just trying to impress your in-laws, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. See you next time!